Today we'll learn how to make this rim. Yeah, okay, let's start. Now click front plane and click sketch and go to center line. Sketch a center line from this origin point to this point and this origin point to this point, and right click, select OK. Now again sketch line from this point to this point and this point to this point and this point to this point, and just sketch it and again go back, and now it is automatically converted as a half circle. And again sketch a line, again sketch vertically, and again sketch a line and go back, and it is automatically converted as a half circle, and right click and select OK. Now again choose a line, sketch a line from this point to this and sketch this point to this, and right click, select OK. Yeah, now go to a smart dimension and sketch dimension, make it 50 millimeter, make it 50 millimeter, click enter, and and this point to this point, make it this point to this point, make it 20 millimeter, click enter. Sorry, just delete this, and and make it, go to a smart dimension, make it 30 millimeter, click enter, and make it 13 millimeter, click enter, and make it 6 millimeter, click enter, and make it 9 millimeter, click enter, and make it 16 millimeter, click enter, and make it 6 millimeter, click enter, and make it 12 millimeter, click enter. Yes, now again make it from this point to this point, it is 50 millimeter, click enter, and make it this point to this point, make it 190 millimeter, click enter. Yes, now make it from this point to this point, make it 20 millimeter, click enter. Yes, now now click the, go to add relation and click this line and click this, click tangent and click OK. Yes, now go to mirror entity and click this mirror this and click mirror about. Just click this mirror about and just click OK. Now go to this surface and click revolve surface and choose this. This is our revolve axis of revolution. This is our revolve revolution and click OK. Now see, it is make it. Yeah. Now go to thickness and choose this midpoint and click this and make it 2 mm thickness. Click enter and just click OK. It is make 3 mm thickness, but it is not. So again click this thickness and choose this and choose mid and choose 2 mm and just click OK. Now it is make right plane and click sketch. Now sketch a center line from this point to this and right click, select OK, and sketch a circle from this point and right click, select OK. Now go to a smart dimension, make dimension from this point to this point, click 81 millimeter, click enter, and this circle diameter is 13 millimeter, click enter and just click OK. Now select OK. Now go to this feature, click extrude cut and just click this up to through all and just click OK. So sorry, just you have to change this direction. And just click OK. Now see, the hole is created. Go to circular pattern, go to linear pattern and click circular pattern and choose direction. This is our direction and it will be number of 6 and just feature and face, click this extrude. Feature and face will be extrude cut. Okay, now click OK. Now see, it is cut extrude. Now click this click this circle and click convert entity, click OK. Yeah. Now again click this right plane and click sketch. Now click this circle and click convert entity and just again choose this line and sketch a line from this point to this point and select OK. And go to a smart dimension, make it from this point to this point 150 millimeter, make it 150 millimeter, click enter. Okay, and choose this. Now just click trim and click this and click OK. Now go to this picture and click extrude cut and just click this, choose this mid plane and choose this until this, just I keep it 160 and just click OK. Now see, it is extrude cut. Now now go to again this linear pattern and choose circular pattern. Choose this direction, this is our direction, sorry, this is our direction, and make it number of 6, feature and face. Just click this feature and face and just go to this, and this our extrude cut is feature and face. It will be number of 6. Just click OK. Now see our rim is created. Okay.